My name is Andre Alexander, and what I'm going to be demonstrating and cooking is a 3-egg French omelet for you today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with 3 eggs. I'm going to crack the eggs into my bowl. I'm going to add salt to taste. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to whisk it until there's no more white. And I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see that I've beaten the eggs with a whisk until there's no more white remaining. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over here to my skillet and I'm going to add my butter in the pan until it's foamy but not brown. Now that my butter is foamy but not brown, I'm going to add the eggs into it. And all this is all done over high heat.
Not big and fluffy. Pull any wispy edges back into the eggs as you go. You want to stop.
And I'm going to stir with a fork, preferably a plastic fork.
Apart the actual scrambled eggs. Give them another few seconds over the heat.
And I'll be right back. The edges start to break apart. I'm going to bring it back in.
Using an underhand grip on the handle and roll the omelet down over itself.